Assalamu alaikum guys, this is Saeed Hassan. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Rabbi zidni ilma. Let me show you guys. This is a very good video, as some students and some scholars and researchers were saying that who are using smart-pls, and I was having some question, so I am going to discuss with you over here. This is a new software, smart-pls 4. I have uploaded a video regarding smart-pls 3. Right now I am going to start a series, and I will discuss some of the mathematical quantitative methods regarding smart-pls 4. So let's start with it. In this video I'm going to tell you how you can download. I'm going to see you the interface of the smart-pls, and then I will be bringing new videos regarding smart-pls 4 again. And here you can see that I have already downloaded smart-pls 4 over here. You can see its interface. It's a very good looking software. You can read it on your own, what are the benefits of it. I have downloaded it from here. You can see, you can go to this website, smartpls.com/download. This is a website link, and you just have to see on your properties which type of laptop you have, which type of PC you are using. Mine was Windows 64-bit, so I have downloaded this first one. If you have a Mac, you can download regarding the Mac version. Okay, it would take 10 to 15 minutes to download, and then you can run its exe file, and you can also read out its terms and conditions over here. Okay, all right, this was the one I have told you. Then let me proceed towards the usage of this software. So I'm this is the software look like. It's a very handy software for the research. If you are doing a business research, if you are writing articles, you can see there are numerous stuff, there is a number of stuffs, tons of stuffs available. You can see that these are the for example, you can check this sample project, but I'm going to show you, this is the first time what you can do over here. You can just add this workspace. I've added this, and you can add a folder over here. I've added this D drive over here. You can add it, and I'm going to start a new project right here. You have to click and you have to name it. I'm going to name it my first project. Please wait, I'm going to add over here some details. Let's say my first, it's related to service quality, so I'm going to first service quality project. Let me name it like that. Okay, so what you can see that there are two pop-ups over here. It's the create model. First I am going to import my data. So where is my data? I am having it on my desktop, and let me show you over here. You can see it was my research paper. I'm going to share with you my research paper as well. Whenever you upload this file, there are 209 items over here, and you can see that I'm going to mention it like that. A smart-pls assume every empty value as missing value as missing, zero empty value where found. In addition, you can specify a string or number of that represent missing value in your data. You just have to import. You have to click on import, and your data would be imported. Then I'm going towards back, and I'm going to click on my data, and I'm going back. I'm going to create this blue icon over here. I'm going to click on this blue icon over here. You can see this. Okay, so I'm going to click over here. What it says, I'm going to play sim regression process. I'm going to select pls sim, and I'm going to name it service quality project. Okay, let's press save, and there I have all the variables over here. I have made this data file. You can watch my video on SPSS, and I'm going to export. Let me show you the variables I'm going to use over here. Where are the variables? Let